Hi everyone, I'm Pranoti, host of Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials or nanoscience, who tweets from the Real Scientists Nano Twitter account, which is realsci_nano.
Hi everyone, my name is Pranoti, and today we have with us Yonatan Calahorra, who is an assistant professor at Technion Israel Institute of Technology in Haifa, Israel. Hi Yonatan, how are you?
Thank you. I'm very well. Thanks for having me.
We are very happy to have you. So let's dig in. Could you explain your research to us in super simple words, please?
Yes. Well, I can try. What I'm interested in and what I'm hoping to establish research in is basically coupling between different physical properties. I think the easiest or the most comfortable example for me is coupling between mechanical properties and electrical properties. For example, in materials such as piezoelectric material, you can apply mechanical stresses to it, and actually your output can be electrical, current or voltage. Very simple example. And then, of course, I can be interested in how this form of coupling happens at the nanoscale. So when you take objects and make them tiny. So that's basically it. It can take form in different physical properties, for example, magnetic properties and electric properties, or mechanical or mechano-optical coupling, and so on.
Mm-hmm. Okay, wow, that sounds fascinating. I can't wait to learn more about it while you're taking over the account and also in the longer podcast. So, what can the followers expect in the week that you will be tweeting from the Real Scientist Nano Twitter account?
So I'll begin, I think, with some of my personal experiences, both in terms of science, but also in what motivated me in science and what I liked about doing science, keeping me or causing me to persist in this rewarding, in quotation marks, career choice. And then I'll move on to describe some of the current work and current motivations and some future work that we're planning. I would like to introduce the work of my current team, which is building up rapidly, and I like very much. And then I might venture into some off topics that I like. Maybe one experimental example that we didn't discuss earlier could be songs that motivate, that relate to you when you're doing science.
Oh, that sounds
Yeah,
amazing. Oh,
it's
wow.
something that's been on my mind for a while, and actually this could be a nice platform to share.
Definitely, definitely. Sorry, did I interrupt you? Was
Yeah,
there more
no,
for it? Because it sounds like a lot of things. Oh, wow, that sounds amazing. We want to know about your research, about your team that is growing. We want to know about science and songs going together. I'm really curious about that part.
I don't know if you had that experience where you do something and kind of have a song that fits right there.
Oh, nothing springs to my mind, but I'm always listening to songs whenever I'm working. Whenever I was working in the lab, I had one earplug because in the lab you have to have your ears open.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm really curious to hear about that. So thank you very much, Jonathan, for speaking with me. Looking forward to having you on Real Scientist Nano.
Thank you. I'm looking forward.
Thank you for listening. This is Pranoti, host of Under the Microscope. To know more about us, visit our website, thesciencetalk.com, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.